In this video, I will show you how you can change your Uber Eats account from bicycle to scooter. To do this, just open up a browser, and what you want to go and search for is just change Uber Eats delivery vehicle. Now after searching for that, click on the first link from Uber, and that will take you to this link where you can read this if you want. So if you wish to change your mode of delivery, please submit the form below. Then they have some notes right here that you can go through. Now what you want to go and do is just click on login to get help. So you'll need to log in first. Now here, just log into your Uber account. And then from there, what you will see is this. So down here, you can select the option. So it will say, if you wish to change your delivery mode, please select one of the following. So if you're currently bicycle, just remove that and then select a motorized bicycle or a motorbike or anything else here. So I'll do motorbike, then enter the maker, model and year, and then add the license plate, a photo of the license plate, and then here enter I agree, and then click submit, and then you will have submitted the change, and then they will get back to you. So that's how you can change your Uber Eats bicycle to a scooter. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.